James Narciso, 17 years old from Mabalacat City, your candidate number 4 for Mr. Teen Nature 2018. I am a grade 12 senior high school student of Hoxton College, specializing in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Philippines is a country found in Southeast Asia and is composed of more than 7,107 beautiful islands, rich in biodiversity and natural resources. That's why I advocate for environmental awareness. Our country faces many environmental problems such as climate change, pollution, deforestation, food, water, and energy consumption. These problems continue to contribute in the massive destruction of Mother Earth. One of the greatest voices you can use is leading by example to the people around you. As an eco-warrior, I want to use this platform to let everybody know that these problems need attention and action through educating and encouraging other people using the 5 R's: rethink, reduce, reuse, recycle, and respect. First is rethink. In all our ways, we have to remember that we should be socially and environmentally responsible. Second is reduce. Conserve energy as you use your gadgets, appliances, and equipment. Third is reuse. Let us embrace the use of eco bags instead of plastic and paper bags. Fourth is recycle. Repurposing and recycling is one of the most creative ways to help the environment by thinking out of the box. Lastly is respect. Having this will give us a foundation and drive for being the good stewards of God's creation. I fully understand as an eco-warrior that we should minimize the talk and maximize the walk because everyone can be a droplet of change. As an eco-warrior, my mission is not just to protect the environment. My mission is to create a world where our environment no longer needs protection. Environmental awareness, proper information dissemination, and responsible actions are the key to help preserve, conserve, and give what Mother Earth truly deserves. Again, I am DERICK Narciso, candidate number 4, and I am an eco-warrior for Mother Earth.